Uh-oh, we got another awning. So, as you can see, we've got another one. Another Isabella awning. So, this one is the... I don't even know which one it is. It is the Magnum 340 Etna. I'm going to call it the Etna for now. Reasons behind us buying a new awning is that the full awning is fine. It takes us about 40 minutes to put up from start to finish, which is not bad for a full awning, but we just wanted a porch awning for a bit of ease. And these poles this time, we've gone from the steel poles to the Carbon X. So that's a bit lighter, and obviously the awning's going to be a lighter because it's not a full awning, it's a 340. So if we ever decide to get a new caravan in the future, we've always got an awning, because our awning wouldn't fit our caravan if we got a new caravan, because we would go bigger next time. I don't know how true it is, but I've heard that you can send your awnings to Isabella and get them, they put some, like a bit of material in the middle and stretch them to your new caravan. I will inquire on that one before, obviously I hold them to that, because I don't know how true that is. But I've heard a couple of people say that, so if we do get a longer caravan, we can do that. And we've still got an awning, and this one is for weekends. So yeah, let's unbox it together. Now that looks like a lot of poles, but it actually isn't when you get them down. So you get all your carbon poles. I don't know what these are for, but I will find out. Tell you at the end of the video. There's the pole bag. Sorry, not the peg bag. It's because I was looking at the peg bag. You get all your pegs in there, and they give you this like screwdriver, and apparently it's a Isofix adjustment, so you can put the screwdriver in and adjust the tightness on your, I'm guessing if these become a bit slack you can adjust them, which is good, but another tool to carry. Yeah, let's unbox the actual awning. So in that box you get your wheel arch cover, which looks different to the one we've got. This is not different to the one we've got, is it? It looks different because we can't have two on the... Yeah, it looks, I don't know. You got your wheel arch cover and your 3M tape, they give you that in there. You've got your fix-on for your awning rail. So you get 3 of those. You've got all your tie backs for your curtains and fixing the curtains when they're closed. You've got your curtains. They're nice curtains, them actually, aren't they? They're different to the other ones. I don't know whether they feel as nicer. Oh no, they do. They feel like proper curtains, not like cloth. And your draft skirt. And an instruction book, which none of us ever read, do we?
No.
We just go for it. So I'll let Sean read that one. Oh, they've actually labelled it this time, Sean, with colours. Good. Let's open this. Should have done this outside, shouldn't I? Because I've had to move outside because whose idea was it to build it inside? Oh wait, mine. So that's the size of the 340 out on the grass. Obviously you're going to get a bit more when it's up and stuff. So yeah. And it's got these nice little cushion pads for your poles. So that's it all back in the bag, ready. I know it's not in the bag because I'm going to take it back out again because I want to put all the curtains on. Well, I don't want to put the curtains on, I want to put all the tracking on for the curtains, so I'm not doing it on site. So yeah, that's the Isabella Magnum Etna. If you have, I'm sweating. We're going to put this up on our next trip when we go away. We go away on bank holiday, end of bank holiday May. So we're going to put this up and I'll do a video of us putting it up because we can't do it here because I can't get the caravan home. So yeah, follow, like and subscribe to see that video. See you in the next one.